Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah, wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in wa ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal Dollars training and coaching program. We ask Almighty Allah to assist us and bless our efforts. This is the second video in our new series, Halal Dollars Done With You. So if you are new to the channel or you are new to the video, I will advise you watch the very first one, the first video in this particular series. I will put the link of the video in the description. So if you are new to the channel, I will encourage you to subscribe, and everybody should like, comment and share the video to their loved ones. So the very first thing I will talk about in this particular video is the mindset. Your mindset is very important in everything you do. It goes a long way to determine whether you will succeed or fail in this business you are about to start. Some people already believe it won't work, then it might not work for you. If you notice somebody with negative mindset in your group, kindly report the person to us. We're going to educate the person, and if he insists, we're going to remove the person from the group. Because we only want people with positive mindset, people who believe it is possible. And it's quite possible to make money online. It is possible to make $10,000 online without doing crypto, without doing forex, without doing Yahoo. We have done it. We have been working online for the past 5 years, and we have been doing everything legitimately. We don't do fraud. So that's why it is possible. I want to show the Muslims. If you are just a secondary school leaver, if you are not a graduate, it is quite possible for you to make money online, and we are going to show you, inshallah. What is our Done With You all about? Our Done With You is all about running a specialist agency. And a specialist agency is a company that involves a group of people coming together to offer a particular service for a particular industry. You can see they are not generalists. They don't offer everything. They only offer a particular thing, and they don't offer the service to everybody. They only offer it for a particular industry. For example, now, people who are doing graphic design, they are doing graphic design for hospitals. If there's an agency that is doing graphic design for hospitals, you can see they are not doing website design, they are not doing SEO, they are not doing any other thing. They are only doing graphic design. And they are not doing it for everybody, for all the industries. They are only focusing with the hospitals. So this is the kind of agency we are going to be running, a specialist agency. So what are the niches? What are the services we can offer in our specialist agency? So we can offer YouTube growth agencies. What do I mean? As in, we can offer to be growing YouTube channels for maybe hospitals, or for coaches, or consultants, for dentists, or any other industry. We can be offering search engine optimization, SEO, in our agency. We can be offering website design in our agency. We can be offering Instagram growth in our agency. So we are going to be offering this service for a particular industry, not for everybody. That's how you are going to make real money, and you are going to succeed fast. If you are a generalist, people are not going to count you to be important. So you have to offer a particular service for a particular industry. And this is what we want to do in this particular training series we are starting. Somebody can ask, what is the difference between freelancers and agencies? The major difference is that a freelancer is a one-man business. He does every aspect of his business by himself, while agency is a company. It usually involves 4 or more departments. Each of the departments is specialized on a particular thing in the business. In order to explain this better, we are going to see how the system works. The system is such that we have appointment setters, we have the sales closers, we have service delivery team, and we have administrative team. The appointment setters are the outreach team. Their job is to reach out to potential clients that might be interested in our service and get them to book a call or a meeting with us. So they are going to tell them that we can actually get you more customers, or we can actually get you this particular thing. If their agency is about growing YouTube channel for hospitals, for example, they are going to reach out to hospitals that we can actually grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers in 3 years or something like that. So they are going to get them to book a call with us. If you are interested, kindly book a call with us. We are going to jump on a call with you and show you how we have helped people in the past and how we can actually help you too. So this is the work of the appointment setters, just to get people to book a call or meeting with us. So we are going to discuss on this later, inshallah, in details. When they book the call, the sales closers are the people who are going to jump on the call with them, who are going to appear to them live and try to explain to them how we were able to assist our past clients and how we can assist them too. So they are the people who are going to show them the testimonials, our past case studies, and trigger the purchasing action from them and get them to pay us. And the pay usually range from maybe $1,000 to $5,000 depending on your package. So as for us in this particular training series, we're going to be charging $2,000 for one client. So getting 5 clients is going to make us $10,000 in a single month. And the best part is that it is usually retainers. That is, if we sign 5 clients in this month, that's $10,000. Next month, it is quite possible that most of them are going to stay with us if you are able to get them the results we promised them. So if you get another 10 clients next month, it's going to be another 5 clients next month. It's going to be $20,000. If you get another 5 clients after that month too, it's going to be $50,000. That's how you're going to be growing. So because mostly 70%, or let me say over 50% of the clients you sign, they're going to stay with you. So far you're able to provide them, you are able to get them the results they are paying for. So the service delivery team, those are the people who are going to work and get that result for them. If we are working, we are doing YouTube growth for hospitals, for example, the service delivery team, they are the people who know about YouTube. They know what to do in order to get subscribers, how to get views, how to get this. So they are the people who actually do the work itself. So those are the service delivery team. They are responsible for getting the results for the client. So, and the administrative team are the ones that do the administrative work and the background work. They control and give direction to all other departments. They are responsible for the cohesiveness of the company. They build all the systems used by other departments. They build the website, the funnel, the outreach framework, the scripts, what the appointment centers are going to do, and how they're going to message the potential clients. They are the people who are going to guide it. The closers too, what they're going to do, how they're going to do it, they're the ones that are going to talk about it, give them the direction. And the service delivery too, they are the people who are going to give them the direction. In essence, the administrative team, they are the owner of the company. They can sack the appointment setters and get another appointment setters. They can sack the sales closers and get another sales closers. They can sack the service delivery team and get another people. So they are the owner of the company. So the payment structure is such that people charge a commission. So appointment setters usually charge a commission that, okay, for every sales we make, we are going to collect 15% of the sale. The same thing, the sales closers too, they usually charge 15% of the sale. And the service delivery team, they usually charge 20% of the sale. While the administrative team, the owner of the company, are going to get the 50%. But you know that they are also paying for websites, they are paying for a lot of things that the company is going to need. Some of the tools the company is going to need. So they are paying for that too. That means if the company is making $10,000 in a month, the appointment setters are going to be making $1,500. The same thing, the sales closers. And the service delivery team are going to be making $2,000 in a month, while the administrative team are getting $5,000 in a month. But I said they are going to pay for the website, pay for the funnels, and a lot of tools that they are using and running the company. So this is it. So who are now the administrative team? You, your group. You are the owner of the company. You own everything. You are the one who controls the company. But since you have little or no idea of what the company does, how it runs, how to hire other department members, that's why we want to help you. We will help you to do all the administrative work. We train you along the way. We guide you until you are able to do it yourself. Then we set you free and allow you to run your company independently by your own self. So we are going to be the administrative team for you now. So we train you on appointment setting. So we will hire sales closers and service delivery team for you. So you are going to be doing the appointment setting. The reason is because the appointment setters, a lot of them usually charge commission, as we have mentioned, but some of them usually charge commitment fee of maybe $100 before they start. They will charge you $100 before they start at all. A lot of them will charge $200 before they start at all. The first appointment setters I worked with, that worked with me, they charged me $80 before they started at all. I paid $80 when I started my agency. So because we know that we don't have that money and we don't want you to start contributing money, or some people will be saying, they want to collect our money or something. That's why we want to train you on appointment setting. So do the appointment setting work by yourself. If you get people to book the calendar, to book the meeting, to book a call with us, the sales closer don't charge commitment fee. They don't. I have never heard of any sales closer that is charging a commitment fee. They only charge commission. That's the 15% they charge. So we are going to get sales closers for you who are going to close those people that booked the meeting with you. So, and also we are going to get the service delivery team who are going to deliver the service. And they also charge 20%. They don't usually collect your commitment fee. So we are going to get in the sales closers and the service delivery. And you yourself, we are going to train you on appointment setting. How you can be good appointment setters. And we are going to be running the administrative team for you. Until you are able to do it by yourself, then we can leave you with your company and you run it everything by yourself. Since we are going to be running it for you now, we're going to charge you 20%. You know, we mentioned that the sales closers charge 50% and service delivery 20%. So the Halal team too, we are going to charge 20% to run everything for you and to also teach you how the company works. Also, we are going to be paying people to do that for you. I can't do that alone. So that's why we are charging this 20%. And you, as appointment setters, you know, right now you are still the appointment setters. Normally you should be collecting 15%. But this is your own company. We are just assisting you now. So you are going to be getting 45%, even as you are still appointment setters. Normally what we should do is that we should only pay you 15% until you know how everything works. Then we now say, okay, you are the owner of the company now. But we don't want to do that. So we want to give you the 45% right now, even when you are still doing the appointment setting. So, and after the training, 1 month training, we said the training is 4 weeks. And after the 4 weeks of implementation, if you are able to make $10,000 and you understand how the company works and you want to run your company by yourself, so we are going to excuse you and you are going to be running everything by yourself. You are going to be getting the 50%. You hire appointment setters, you hire sales closers, you hire service delivery team. So this is what we are going to do for you. So now, if you are to make $10,000 a month, do you understand? If you have to make $10,000 a month, then you are going to be making $4,500, as in $4,500. You are going to be making with your 45%. You are claiming now, and that is like 3.2 million naira that's going to be shared among the 10 members of the group. Note that each group is working independently. If your group doesn't make any money, there's nothing we can do. So that's you have to work seriously together to make sure you do it. If another group is making $10,000 or $20,000 and you are not making anything, you are not going to collect their money and give it to the other group. So thank you. So we want you to like, subscribe, and comment and share the video. So may Allah assist us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.